Joining handrails in Vectorworks. Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been using Vectorworks for over 30 years, so I've seen a lot of things happen. One of the new things that happened was the ability to create more complex handrails and joining handrails. Now there is a special tool for joining handrails. Here it is here, this tool here, the Join Handrails. Now I've got two handrails. I've got one coming up the stair. I've got another one here. Now normally when I create a design like this, I will actually draw the entire handrail as a single polyline. Let me show you what I mean. This is my handrail, and you can see that I've drawn it as a single object, a single polyline. To me, that's the easiest way to draw it. But if you have to join these together, then we have to look at a couple of options. Now, if we want to join these together, we have to look at what we're doing. Now, at the moment, I've got this handrail and that one at approximately the same height, which is not too bad. Now, this handrail here has a post at the start, which is here, and a post at the end, which is there. These should actually sit on the ground. Let's just go back to our reshape tool. Let's get our gravity, and that looks better. So now I've got that handrail sitting on my step. But I need to join these two together. So first of all, I want to get rid of the post at the start. So I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to turn off the post at start. So at least I've solved one of my problems. But this still doesn't look right here. Now this handrail's actually jumped up in the air. So back to my reshape, back to gravity, put it back where it belongs. So how am I going to join these two together? If I use the rail joining tool, the railing join tool, I've got the ability to have a single, so that's like a butt join. This one here, which is an angle, so that's a butt join as well. This is a miter join here. And this one will put a post in the middle, and I don't want to put a new segment in. This is the match elevation mode. So let's go back to plane view. I want to join that handrail to that handrail. I want that one to be the control over the elevation. Click OK. Let's have a look at that in 3D. So just use my previous view. So that's not so bad. Now part of the problem I've got here is that because I've got an oval handrail, I'm going to have this mitered connection here. If I had these two as circular, then it wouldn't be a problem. Hey, thanks for watching. This is just one of the things that I do. I help people. This was a question that came up in my community, so I answered it by making a movie. If you want to become a member of my community, click on the link in the description. I'll catch you there.